guys, welcome to Lisitha's main place. Today we are going to host a website like this on an ESP8266 board. I will be using Arduino IDE for coding. Let's get started. In this video I will show you how to set up the Arduino IDE. Then I will show you how to code. Then I will show you the testing. Let's move on to the next step. All the codes and the links will be down in the description. So, to make this project, you need an ESP8266 Node MCU board and a USB cable to upload the code to this device and to power it. Then you need a device that can connect to Wi-Fi network, and you need a router. So this is how it works. This Node MCU is connected to the Wi-Fi router, and the Wi-Fi router is connected to this device. There is a number to this connection. When we get that number and type it in the search bar in this device's browser, this HTML page that is saved in this Node MCU board will show up. So you need to get this link from the description and copy it and go to file and then preferences and paste the code in this text box. After you do that, hit OK. Then you have to go to Tools, Board and Board Manager and wait till this line completes. Then type ESP8266. Then download this library right here. Hit install. I have already installed it and it will take a couple of minutes, and hit close. It will take a couple of seconds to load this up again, like that. Then go to Tools, then go to Manage Libraries, hit till the line completes, and then type ESP8266 Wi-Fi. So you have to install this library right here. I have already installed this, so the install button is not showing up for me. Then it will take a couple of minutes to install, and just hit OK. Then you have finally completed setting up your Arduino IDE. Let's move on to the coding. So this is the code. First we include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h library. Then you can add your SSID of your Wi-Fi router, and you can add your password for the Wi-Fi router. Then this will try to connect to the Wi-Fi router, and if it fails, it will print a dot. Then it will try again. And here we begin the serial monitor at 115 to 115 200 baud rate. Then it prints the Wi-Fi connected and it will print IP address of this connection, which we will need to load up our HTML website. This code here is for the client, which is the device you are trying to connect to the website, and how to connect it, and it will print these things here. Then the HTML web page starts. You need to know HTML coding and CSS coding for making a website. This here is a CSS. CSS is the coding used for decorating the website, like positioning a button or something like that, setting the font for a text and like that. So after that, this is the website. There is the Lisitha's Marketplace as a heading, and then it will print sensor reading. This is just for fun to show you guys how this works. There's no sensor connected to this device. You can do it if you want. Then there's these buttons called blow button and OK button. Then it will print please like this video and this sentence, and it will print this sentence. Then there will be a footer in the bottom of the web page, and it will be called YouTube channel and other things. You can add your link here. Here is the ending of our code. I will show you how to upload a code to this Node MCU board. So go to Tools and select your board, Node MCU ESP12E module. Then while pressing this button right here, hit upload. It will compile the sketch. After it compiles, we can upload it. It's uploading. You can see the LED blinking. It's finished uploading. Then go to the serial monitor. After you upload the code, this will show up. Then it will show this IP address. Then copy this IP address. Then go to your web browser and paste this. Make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi networks as this chip right here. Then this is our website. It shows Lisitha's Marketplace in the top. Then it says sensor reading. Then there's two buttons saying low, OK, and it shows this text right here. And this is a link. You can add links too. Load the web page on a phone too. Make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as this Node MCU board. Then go to your web browser. Then just type in the number. Then this website will load up. See, two buttons are there and the link is there. Sweet. So this will open up endless amount of possibilities for creativity. Like made this video because it was so hard for me to find this information online. I searched a lot but I couldn't find any useful tutorial, and after trial and error I found out how to do it, and I thought of sharing it with you guys. And that's it for this video. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and like this video and share it among your friends, and see you next time. Bye.